Welcome to AgriKnowledge Hub, the home of practical farming wisdom and powerful nature-based solutions. Here we uncover secrets, ancient and modern, that breathe life back into your soil, your plants, and your harvest. If you love learning about organic farming, smart agriculture, and natural ways to boost productivity, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and watch till the end, because today we're exploring an ancient secret, one that can revive dead soil instantly, a liquid so simple yet so powerful, and that farmers for centuries have sworn by its magic. For years, farmers have battled with one invisible enemy: dead soil. Soil that's lost its life, its humus, its vitality. Intensive ploughing, synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, though useful in the short term, have stripped the earth of its microbiological life. What remains is dust, lifeless and weak. Without these living organisms, plants can't absorb nutrients effectively. Even chemical fertilizers become useless when the soil beneath them is sterile. But what if we could bring it back to life? Not with costly synthetic formulas, but with a liquid made from nature itself, a recipe that dates back thousands of years. Long before modern science, farmers from Africa to Asia, from the Nile Valley to the rice terraces of China, discovered a liquid elixir known simply as fermented plant juice, or FPJ. It was made from young green plants, rich in chlorophyll and natural sugars. When fermented properly, these plants release powerful enzymes, hormones, and microbial life that awaken the soil. The ancient farmers called it the living liquid. Today we know it as one of the most potent organic soil activators, reviving microbial activity, balancing soil pH, and stimulating plant roots. No chemicals, no fertilizers, just life feeding life. What makes this ancient liquid so powerful? It's teeming with beneficial microbes: lactobacillus, yeasts, and actinomycetes. These microscopic workers break down organic matter, freeing locked nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus back into the soil. They also produce natural plant growth hormones, such as cytokinins and auxins, which encourage strong root growth and leaf expansion. In short, this ancient liquid doesn't feed the plants directly, it feeds the soil, and the soil, in turn, feeds the plants. That's the difference between growing plants and growing life. Now let's make this ancient liquid together. Here's a simple but effective modern adaptation of the traditional formula: fermented plant juice, FPJ. Recipe: you'll need 1 kilo of fresh, young green plants, comfrey, weeds, spinach, banana leaves, or grass clippings, 500 g of brown sugar or molasses, a clean plastic bucket or glass jar, not metal, a breathable cover, cloth or paper. Instructions: chop the plants into small pieces. Mix thoroughly with the brown sugar until it's evenly coated. Press the mixture down gently into the container. Cover it with the breathable cloth and store it in a shaded, cool place. Wait 7 to 10 days. The mixture will begin to release a dark, sweet-smelling liquid. Strain the liquid into bottles. This is your fermented plant juice, FPJ, the living elixir. Store it in a cool, dark place. It can last up to 6 months. To use this powerful brew correctly, follow these simple dilution charts. Dilution guide: application. Type FPJ ratio, water ratio, frequency foliar, spray. 1 part FPJ, 500 parts water. Every 7 to 10 days, soil drench: 1 part FPJ, 100 parts water. Every 2 weeks, compost booster: 1 part FPJ, 20 parts water. During compost turning seed, soak: 1 part FPJ, 1000 parts water, 2 to 4 hours before planting. Always apply during cool hours of the morning or evening to protect microbes and maximize absorption. Modern agriculture is now catching up with this ancient wisdom. Today, researchers classify FPJ and similar extracts as bio-stimulants, natural compounds that enhance soil health and crop growth without synthetic chemicals. They improve microbial biodiversity, nutrient cycling, and even pest resistance. Farmers who combine modern fertilizers with organic biostimulants like FPJ often report up to 30% higher yields, better water retention, and richer soil texture. It's the perfect balance. Nature's intelligence meets scientific precision. When I pour this ancient liquid into the soil, I can almost feel the earth breathe again. The smell changes from dust to life. Earthworms return, microbes awaken, and within days, once dead soil becomes rich, dark, and alive again. No chemical can match that transformation. This is the essence of farming. Not domination over nature, but partnership with it. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with fellow growers. And of course, subscribe to AgriKnowledge Hub for more powerful, proven knowledge about soil, farming, and plant life. Because here, we don't just grow crops. We grow understanding.